Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. This is HP laptop. This laptop is in dead condition, but one CD is stuck inside this laptop. So now we have to remove that CD without turning on the laptop. So let's see how to remove the CD without turning on the laptop. So let's start the video. To remove the CD, we have to remove this CD drive. For that, in the first step, we have to remove this screw. Now I am going to remove the screw. After that, we have to pull out the CD drive. Our CD is stuck inside this CD drive. To remove the CD disk, we have to remove these screws. Then from the side also one screw is there. After removing that screw, we have to open the front cover. Inside that we got our CD. We can remove that CD now. So this is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.